Hey there, in this video we will see how to download and configure Go. Also, we will see how we can configure Go in our VS Code IDE. Without wasting much time, let's get started. In order to install Go, we first need to visit the download link located at go.dev/dl. Once we navigate to that link, we will see various options based on our operating system. There are .msi files for Windows, pkg files for macOS and tar.gz files for Linux distribution. I use Linux, so we will look at the steps that are needed for Linux. Same can be done for Windows and macOS as well. First, we need to download this gz file onto our local machine. Once we download, we need to untar it and then add the bin folder into our path so that those Go binaries are available from anywhere within the system. Once we have done that, we can execute go version command to see if everything is fine. So here I am onto my terminal and I already have my Go gz file untarred. Once you have untarred the Go distribution, you will see various files in them. The most important folder here is the bin. Within the bin folder, you will see various binaries like Go and Go found. We need to add this bin folder onto our path. In order to do so, you can execute the below command, that is export path, take whatever is there in the path and then provide the folder along with the bin directory. So you will need to provide the absolute path, that is in this case it would be home/durgadas/utilities/go. I already have those and the same can be verified using the echo command on $path, and you will see that I already have go/bin in them. The advantage of doing this is I can issue the command from anywhere within my system. So to do that, what I will do is I'll go to my another folder where we will store all our files, and from there I can execute go version and it would still return me the required output as we have added this Go binary onto our system path. Great. So once we have done this, let's go and create a folder where we will store all our Go files, which we will learn in this series. So I will do mkdir golang 101, and once we have done that, you can open it in your VS Code using the Go and the folder name. So I have my VS Code open here. So before we start writing Go code, let us go ahead and install an extension which will help us speed up our development. So the extension that we need to install is the Go extension from Google. Once we have installed this extension, we need to open the command palette using Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or Command+Shift+P on macOS and then select Go install/update tools. Once we have done that, we need to select all in the pop-up that is shown and click on OK. This will install all the necessary packages that are needed in order to aid Go development within VS Code. So I am here on my VS Code environment. I go to the extensions option and install Go. I already have these extensions installed. So what I will do is I will go to my command palette, that is Ctrl Shift P, and select go install/update tools. Once I have that selected, I need to select all in this option and click on OK. You will notice that VS Code installs some of the frequently used and popular packages for you so that you can take advantage of this while developing Go code. Now, since all these tools are successfully installed, we are all set to start coding in Go. So, let us go and create our first Go application. In order to do so, you need to create a file called main.go. So this is an convention that your main file is always named as main.go, and within it we need to follow certain syntax. It needs to have a package called main, and within that a function with name main, and within this we will have to write all our code. So this main function is similar to the main method that we have in Java, which is public static void main, which takes in few arguments. Here we need to take care of two things. One is we need to declare package main and have a main function wherein we will write our code. Since this is our first program, we will keep it simple. So as we always do, we will do something similar to hello world here. So in order to print hello world or hello something onto the console, you will need to use a package. The package that we will be using is FMT or FMT. This package will provide us various methods in order to write to the console, read from the console, and so on. So let us type FMT, and once you press enter, you will notice VS Code imports the FMT package for you. This is because of the extension that we installed some time back. So once I press dot, you will notice all the methods that are exposed by this FMT package that you can consume or use in order to perform certain operations. In our case, we want to print hello world or some hello message onto the console. So we will use a method called println, and within this we can supply our message. So let's say hello folks, welcome to my channel. Once done, click on save. In order to run the Go application, we need to issue a command called go run and the file name. So go run main.go in our case. Once you press enter, you will see the message being printed onto our console. Great. The other important thing that you need to be aware of is you can also create a binary or executable that you can distribute to other parties, or you can distribute it in any repository and your users can use it. So let us create an executable which will print hello folks, welcome to my channel. In order to do so, we need to issue go build command. So the syntax is go build -o, provide the name of your executable. In our case, we will name it as hello world, or let's say hello friends. Okay, and you need to provide your Go file name, that is main.go in our case. Once you press enter, you will notice a binary or an executable created with the name that we just specified, that is hello friends. We can execute this and it will still print hello folks, welcome to my channel. Great. So in quick time We have basically created a simple Go program, and we have also created an executable out of it. The last thing in the video I want to share is a shortcut where we can create this package main and this function main automatically using the extension that we just installed. In order to generate this skeleton, you can type in pkgm and press enter, and this would create the package main as well as function main, and it will bring the cursor onto the point from where you can just go ahead and type in your command. So in this case fmt.println, and we say hey there. Once done, you can save it. Okay, so this is wrong, so it should be println. Okay, and there is no error. We can do go run main.go, and we have this message hey there. So this is all we wanted to cover in our first video of this series. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do so that you get notified on every video that I publish. I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.